Hello everyone and welcome. Today's video is all about our visit to the Isle of Man. The video we have here is part 1 and it covers our journey from the railway station at Douglas at Derby Castle up to Laxey, on up to the summit, coming back down via Bungalow to visit the Rota Bunker at Victory Cafe and back to Laxey. Part 2 will then pick up at Laxey and continue our journey through Laxey and then on to Ramsey, back down to Douglas for a go on the horse-drawn tram. Let's dig in. The Manx Electric Railway is an electric tram railway that runs from Douglas in the south to Ramsey in the north, and at Laxey it connects with the Snaefell Mountain Railway that takes visitors to the summit of Mount Snaefell. It is the oldest tramway in the world that is still using its original trams, and it takes about an hour to get up to Ramsey, and from Laxey takes about half an hour, 40 minutes to get to the summit.
Are we excited?
Oh, not too much G-force, Gary. That's your passion, look. That's your passion that's done that. Yes, the bikes.
Welcome aboard the Snaefell Mountain Railway. Your journey to the summit will take about 30 minutes and take you to the highest point of the Isle of Man. The summit is 2,036 feet above sea level. That's about 621 meters.
Yeah, it's going to be bracey up here. I can feel it already.
Yep.
Wow, what a view! Isn't it brilliant? Hi everyone, we're on the top of Snaefell and it's such a view. Oh, thank you.
One of these big chap there, they said.
I'll get back on it anyway, so.
Oh, yeah.
But thank you. It's only about 7 degrees with the wind chill. I'd say you're not far off getting down to freezing up here. Magnificent. So we're going to head back down now, and we're going to stop at the Victory Cafe, the former rotor bunker RAF base on the island. Here's our assistant cameraman. Say hello, Gary.
Hello, Gary.
Yes, I have to put up with that all the time. 5 days on the island, man. Just to give.
With me.
Snaefell Mountain Railway was completed in just 7 months and opened on August 21st, 1899. The average rate is 1 in 12, almost 5 miles.
Bungalow station, change here for the Victory Cafe. You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. Did you know it used to be a UK bunker? R11, rotor bunker. So Victory Cafe, rotor R11 bunker that looked after Liverpool. Chain home, extra low radar installation here that the RAF had in place to watch for Soviet incursion into British airspace in the event of World War III. Let's dig in. we have the technical office. This is the intercept cabin. Behind this wall we have the GPO battery room and GPO apparatus room.
I should have got in there, I should have got on your shoulders. Then I could have put the on top further up on wall. I'm the good looking one.
He's the good looking one, is he? I'll let you decide. Leave a comment. Who do you think's the better looking one?
Thank you.
The handsome one, the handsome, kind, polite one, or the short one?
The good looking one.
Yeah, the good looking one. Where's he gone? He's hiding. He doesn't want to get run over.
The trouble is, Andy, if you put me and him in together, we look like each other.
I'm pleading the fifth. It's a lot milder down here than it was at the summit. I could actually wear my baseball cap. I'm going to try the door and see if I can get in. And it's locked, but there is an emergency phone. It's used by the TT Marshals. I have to say, if you are up at Victory Cafe, their fish butty is delicious. And one last time. There's RAF Snaefell, rotor R11, chain home extra low, the monitored southern Scotland, as well as the west coast around Liverpool. The railway here uses a third rail in the middle, but it's not used for navigation. It's purely used to be able to brake, because as they're coming down the mountain, obviously they're going to pick up too much speed and the brakes would overheat. So here they use a third rail with calipers that are on the train that create the friction with that middle rail, and that's how the trains maintain their speed. And there you can see, going up there, all the way up to the summit, up there, the mountain railway. Now we're just waiting for my wife and my friends to get here, and we're going to catch the tram, and it's about a 15-minute journey down to Laxey, when we will be catching the other tram, the electric train, up to Ramsey, and we'll have a quick explore around Ramsey. Stick with us. Points motors. Okay. George, you have to set that. Oh, are you the man that presses the button?
I am the button pressing the button.
Where's your button? Is it all remote control now?
We can't tell everybody. Otherwise you'd have to kill
You can't tell us that it's in that cupboard.
No. He'd have to kill you.
have to run you over.
So which one of these two do you think is the more handsome one?
Me, thank you.
We're going to get both of these in the station, lads. We're going to get both to a halt and then we'll get you on.
Right, mate. He's been slagging you off, won't let him off, Craig.
Yeah. Did he bring me a pie?
A pint?
Pie.
A pie? Yes, but I had a tragic accident with it in my tummy.
Ooh, that's a bit fresh.
Thank you. Hello, gang.
You're getting kicked off, Andy.